When they cut the bracelet in the hospital, it was this amazing moment. It was like, for the first time, they were really saying, "She's all yours." It's the moment I really grew up. For years, he wouldn't go to sleep without his favorite stuffed animal, Baba. We thought he'd never part with it, and now we're the ones who can't let it go. Her first recital, she refused to play anything. The second time, she'd only play when I stood up with her. Now she walks out there like she owns the place. I come from a big family. Birthdays were always the one day a year that it was all about you, so we make a big deal about it. The objects we save tell our stories. Childhood is fleeting, but the memories, they last forever. So save what matters most, and savor every moment.